Hello everyone, today 19 August 2026, here is the latest update and forecast of the track of Super Typhoon Saudel, which could approach very close to Hong Kong. According to the latest ECMWF weather model information, Typhoon Saudel, also known as Japanese Typhoon number 18, has already formed and is expected to become a very powerful tropical system. At present, Saudel is located about 267 kilometers east-northeast of Chuuk and has been moving northward at around 7 kilometers per hour. The maximum significant wave height around the system is already about 4.6 meters. But the situation could become much more serious over the coming days. Saudel's forward speed is expected to increase during the next 12 hours as the subtropical ridge south of Honshu gradually weakens and retreats northward. This will allow the typhoon to gain more latitude. At the same time, another subtropical ridge is expected to strengthen to the northeast and extend southwestward. This ridge could become the main steering factor for Saudel during the remainder of the forecast period. After around 3 days, the track is expected to turn more toward the west-northwest as high pressure builds to the north of the typhoon. The environment around Saudel is also becoming increasingly favorable for strengthening. During the next 12 hours, dry air entering from the north is expected to decrease, allowing the inner core of the typhoon to become more moist and better organized. As the wind field becomes more symmetrical, Saudel is forecast to steadily intensify over the next 2 days, potentially reaching around 130 kilometers per hour or 70 knots. And there is a possibility of even faster strengthening if the inner circulation becomes organized more quickly than expected. After that, the situation could become extremely dangerous. During the following 3 days, Saudel is forecast to undergo rapid intensification, supported by strong outflow channels, exceptionally warm ocean water with sea surface temperatures above 30 degrees Celsius, and high ocean heat content east of the Mariana Islands. According to this forecast scenario, Saudel could reach a peak intensity of around 230 kilometers per hour or 125 knots at approximately 4 days. That would place Saudel in the category of an extremely powerful super typhoon. After reaching its peak, the system may maintain its strength for several days before gradually encountering stronger northerly wind shear and lower ocean heat content. The good news at this stage is that most track models are showing relatively good agreement during the next 3 days, with no major outlier solutions. However, the cross-track uncertainty at 3 days is already around 185 kilometers, meaning the exact future path remains uncertain. And this is the point that people in Hong Kong and nearby coastal areas need to watch very carefully. The current ECMWF scenario suggests that Saudel could eventually turn toward the west-northwest and potentially approach very close to Hong Kong. However, it is still too early to determine the exact distance from Hong Kong, the final landfall location, or whether the strongest winds will directly affect the city. So, residents should not focus on a single forecast line at this stage. The track and intensity can still change significantly over the coming days. The next several updates will be extremely important because even a small shift in Saudel's track could make a major difference to the weather conditions across Hong Kong, southern China, and surrounding coastal waters. Please continue to monitor the latest official warnings and updated typhoon forecasts as Saudel develops.